Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail for your tips channel. So if you share tips, tricks, hacks, and shortcuts, this video is for you. If you're starting a new YouTube channel or have no idea how to design YouTube thumbnails for your videos, you should watch this. So without delay, go to canva.com and create an account. Then you'll see this interface. Just search for Tips Thumbnail and you'll find lots of options available. The best part about Canva is you can easily customize or modify pre-made templates created by professionals. So with these YouTube thumbnails, I can edit whichever I want, and within a few minutes, my thumbnail will be ready. Just explore the options, and when you find one that fits your style or preference, click on it. At first, some may be paid options, but you can always select a free version. I will go with this one for now, and Canva will also suggest more options for you. Just find a free version and customize that template. Now you can fully modify or design anything you want. First, let's work on the background. If you want to change the background, go to the Uploads tab. If you have your own background, upload it from your computer, and your image will appear here. Just drag and drop it like this. You can reposition or adjust your background, and the same goes for images. Just move your background, and similarly with an image. For images like this, replacing it is easy. Notice it has no background. So, when replacing this image, yours should have no background like this. But if your image has a background, then it will appear like this. So you see what I mean? For images like this, you should already remove the background. And if you have Canva Pro, you can simply replace like this. And then you can remove the background here. Make it bigger like this, and just add it in. You can add more images if you like, just adjust them. If you want to change the color, you can also play around, and here is the color option. Just change the color to anything you like, and keep adjusting things until you're happy with it. If you want to crop it, crop as needed. For example, adjust the area you want and make it bigger. Now, let's adjust your text. You can update the text and simply change the font to any style you prefer. Here you can resize your text, make it bold, change color, make it italic, underline, add strike-through, set to uppercase or lowercase, adjust paragraph alignment, create a list. And this one is for line and adding effects. Right now, the background effect is enabled. Just click Remove Effect if you want to disable it. The effect will be removed, but if you undo, it's back on. This option is for adjusting your text transparency, and this one is for animation, though you don't need that for thumbnails. To set the position, simply reposition your text anywhere you want with one click. For now, I'll go with this, and you can keep playing with the text and changing anything else you want. In this way, you can add whatever you like. If you want to add your logo, just insert it and resize as you wish. You can customize whatever you want. Add your own logo, text, images, or background. Add details and branding. After you're done designing your thumbnail, make sure everything looks good. To export it, name your file. Then go to the Share option and go to Download to save it as a PNG file. YouTube requires PNG format to upload thumbnails, but you can choose another format if needed. Just download it and upload this thumbnail to your YouTube videos. That was really simple, and without wasting much time, you can create awesome thumbnails for your tips and tricks channel. Just keep exploring Canva. Keep learning. Enjoy designing, creating, and editing everything in Canva.